Space enthusiasts, get ready to have your mind blown with 50 lesser-known astronomical facts that might surprise even the most avid space lovers. From the mind-boggling density of neutron stars to the vast distances between galaxies, prepare yourself for an astronomical adventure. Let's dive right in and explore the cosmos together. The Hubble Space Telescope lets us observe objects shortly after the Big Bang, revealing the early universe's secrets. Neutron stars are so incredibly dense that a tiny piece the size of a sugar cube would weigh as much as 100 million tons on Earth. Imagine that! On Venus, a day is longer than its year. Imagine celebrating your birthday over multiple sunrises. That's Venus. Forget Earth. Titan is the place to be for liquid methane. This moon of Saturn has lakes and rivers filled with it. It's the only place in our solar system with stable surface liquids. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter has raged for centuries. It's so big you could fit 3 Earths inside it. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating, and the culprit, a mysterious force called dark energy. It's one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology today, baffling scientists everywhere. Thinking of taking a road trip to our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, at 60 miles per hour, it would take you over 6,000 years to reach it. Pluto might be small, but it's got a big heart, literally. This dwarf planet has a giant heart-shaped glacier that's about the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined. Truly fascinating. Sadly, our moon is drifting away, moving 3.8 centimeters farther each year. Forget Everest. Olympus Mons on Mars is the king of volcanoes. It's 3 times taller and covers an area the size of Arizona. Now that's a volcano. Poor Pluto. In 2006, it got demoted from a planet to a dwarf planet. But hey, size isn't everything, right? Pluto, we still love you and always will. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. It'll be a spectacular cosmic dance, but don't worry, Earth will probably survive. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. It's a number so large, it's almost impossible to truly fathom. Our Sun is on a galactic road trip of its own. It takes about 225 to 250 million years for it to complete one full orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. On Mercury, you could celebrate your birthday every 3 months. A year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days long. Talk about a quick trip around the Sun. Talk about bling! Astronomers have discovered a crystallized white dwarf star that's essentially a giant diamond in space. It's the biggest diamond ever found, shining brightly in the cosmos. The universe has a faint afterglow from the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background radiation, which scientists study. Neutron stars are like cosmic spinning tops. Some of them can spin hundreds of times every single second. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners. Their gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. Our galaxy is part of the local group, with Andromeda as our closest neighbor. You'd think the Sun's surface would be the hottest part, but you'd be wrong. Its outer atmosphere, called the corona, can reach temperatures of millions of degrees Celsius. Uranus is the ultimate rebel of the solar system. It's tilted on its side, rolling around the Sun. Our universe is teeming with galaxies. There are billions upon billions of them out there, each containing countless stars and planets. We've discovered some pretty wild planets out there, like ones with molten rock surfaces and even iron rain. Science fiction has nothing on the real universe. It's truly stranger than fiction. Deep down, Earth has a heart of molten iron. It's not a solid ball, but rather a liquid outer core surrounding a solid inner core. This molten heart drives our planet's magnetic field. Jupiter's moon Io is a volcanic hotspot. It has hundreds of active volcanoes spewing lava and sulfur plumes. Jupiter is the biggest planet, but it's also the fastest spinner. A day on Jupiter is just 10 hours. Mercury might be closest to the Sun, but Venus is actually the hottest planet in our entire solar system. Some stars are so massive they would swallow Earth and Mars if placed where our Sun is. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. It is a dwarf planet. Mars has the tallest volcano and deepest canyon in the solar system. Truly a planet of extremes. Ever heard of a blue moon? It's not blue, it refers to the second full moon in a month. Some planets are like cosmic nomads, wandering through the vastness of space without a star to call their own. These are the rogue planets, adrift in the infinite cosmos. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Without an atmosphere, the moon experiences wild temperature swings. There's a nebula out there that looks like a giant hand reaching out into the vastness of space. Stars form in giant gas and dust clouds called nebulae. IC 1101 is a supergiant elliptical galaxy that makes our Milky Way look like a tiny dwarf galaxy. Most of the universe is made up of stuff we can't even see. Dark matter and dark energy are invisible forces that shape and expand the cosmos. The North Star, Polaris, moves in a small circle over long periods due to a phenomenon called precession. Our solar system is about halfway between the Milky Way's center and its edge. When massive stars die, they go out with a bang. Supernovae are among the universe's most powerful explosions. Pluto might be a dwarf planet, but it's got a whole entourage of fascinating moons orbiting around it. Saturn's rings aren't solid. They're made of countless tiny ice and rock particles, all orbiting the planet together. The Crab Nebula is the remnant of a supernova explosion witnessed by astronomers in 1054 AD. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels through space-time that could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel, connecting distant points in the universe. The Milky Way and Andromeda are just two members of a larger group of galaxies called the Local Group. It's like a cosmic neighborhood party out there with many galaxies mingling together. Neutron stars are so dense that they can actually bend light around them. This effect, called gravitational lensing, can create some pretty bizarre and fascinating visual distortions in space. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful and energetic explosions we've ever detected in the universe. They release more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will in its entire lifetime. Astronomers use a special unit of measurement called an astronomical unit, or AU, to describe vast distances in space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these astronomical facts, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep looking up.